This is me trying out this wearable breast pump and happy to report that it works. Hey everyone, Essie here, and I have here a set of Nuliie, or is it Nuliie, YM8806 wearable breast pump that I was sent to review. So let's go ahead and take a look. Upon unboxing, it came with this pink travel bag. Inside there is a mesh pocket that has a zipper, and then it has two compartments right here, one for each pump, and then it also has two side pockets for more pump parts storage. And of course, it also has a handle. I love that it is waterproof as well to keep everything dry. It also came with an assembly guide with pictures so you can easily put the parts together. There is also a QR code right here that you can scan for the assembly guide. This is the nipple measuring guide. This is really handy for you to know exactly what size of flange you need. This is the instruction booklet. The instructions have pictures with them as well, which makes it easier to follow. Then we have this box. These are the valves. And then we have three different sizes of flanges that came with it. A 14 millimeter, a 17 millimeter, and a 20 millimeter. It also came with two charging cables so you can charge your pump at the same time. And then of course we have the pumps themselves. Inside the assembled pumps, you will see another set of valves and another set of flanges that's size 24 millimeter. So the first thing you want to do is figure out what your nipple size is. That way you know which size of flange to use. After that, get all the pump parts that you need and properly clean and sterilize them. And of course, charge your motors as well. Once you properly disinfected all the parts, it's time to put it together. Grab the connector body and connect it securely with the breast shield. Then get the flange. Then the valve goes right here. Then we have the suction bowl. And then all of these will go inside the milk collector. The oval shape suction bowl will line up with the oval shape part right here. And then slide the motor on the side. Your nipple goes in the hole right here and you're ready to go. Once everything is set up, simply turn on the motor. On the screen you can see the battery, the number of minutes you've been pumping, and on this side is the mode. So there are 4 different modes: stimulation mode, expression mode, bionic mode, and auto mode. There are 12 levels of suctions that you can adjust using the minus and plus buttons right here. So you can go all the way to 12, which is the strongest of the suction, and you can lower it all the way down to 1. Like I said, this was me using one of the breast pumps while I was working on my laptop, and I was very pleasantly surprised on how well it worked. After pumping, simply slide out the motor, and you see that opening there? That's where the milk is gonna come out. A couple things that I like about this product is that the milk container is pretty big. It can contain up to 6 ounces each of breast milk, which is great if you are an overproducer or you are very engorged and have it pumped for over 4 hours. So this is great for that. I also love that it is not very heavy, but the battery can last you more than 1 pumping session, which is great. So you don't have to keep charging every single time you finish pumping. It's also great that it came with different sizes of flanges. That way you most likely will have the flange that you need from the very beginning. And I absolutely love that it came with a travel container, so it's easy for you to just put everything inside and take it with you on the go. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly wearable breast pump that works great, these are amazing. I think you're gonna like it. Hi everyone, Essie here. If you have any question regarding the product that is featured in this video, just leave me a comment in the comment section and I will be more than happy to answer it. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye!